Well, dear students, we are learning mathematics and physics, and now I'm going to tell you a very important topic. The topic is like this: ddx of u upon v. When you talk about ddx of u upon v, see, take denominator v square, v as it is, ddx of u minus u as it is, ddx of v. This is how you get a result which we will be using in physics many times. Well, to make you understand this result, I'll like to take one simple question. That question is, evaluate ddx of x square plus 2 x minus 2. See, take it u and take it v. Now, see, this is y. ddx of y, x minus 2 square, x minus 2 as it is, ddx of x square plus 2 minus x square plus 2 ddx of x minus 2. Now ddx of y, x minus 2, ddx of x square is what? 2x, ddx of 2 constant 0 minus x square plus 2, ddx of x is 1, ddx of minus 2 0. In the denominator x minus 2 square. अब ये क्या बना? x minus 2 into 2x, 2x square minus 4x minus into 1 x square minus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole square. Of 2x square minus x square, ये बना x square minus 4x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole square. So this is the answer to this question. So simple it is. So dear students, you can pause it, play it, and you can use u upon v derivative formula. Numerator take u, denominator take v. Now v square, v as it is, ddx of u minus u as it is, ddx of v. Now x minus 2, ddx of x square is 2x, ddx of 2 is 0 minus x square plus 2, ddx of x is 1 minus 2 is 0, x minus 2 square. So this is 2x into x, 2x square, ठीक है. Now 2x into 2 minus 4x minus x square into 1 minus plus minus 2, 2x square minus x square minus 4x minus 2, denominator x minus 2 square. So this is how you get the result. Thank you. इसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए टाइम एंड अगेन, आपका ये ग्रिप बनेगा इस टॉपिक पे. ठीक है, थैंक यू.